Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This one's also, no, this one's a thyssenkrupp Oildraulic with sticking floor, but the call buttons on both, and all the floors have been replaced with Atoll. This is a Marshall installed with a Dover bus, so they're obviously replaced. Call button sticking on the wall. I think there's originally an actual wall here, but this entire space is actually gutted. 2 is traditional button / California Sigma 4 on the inside. And here you go. Didn't do the weird thing it did going up earlier. No, it didn't do it this time because it stopped at 2R, then it continued going up low and speed to 2 earlier, which is really weird. This is vacant, but it's not gutted. Went downstairs, go back down to 1. The basic Vickery grain cab. The front elevator here is a Dover Oildraulic Impulse. In 1991. Here I got one. Because that's gonna be it.